Hi, in this video, we're going to see the incoming call with a dancing video screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Okay, if you like this incoming call, here's how you can turn it on. First, from your home screen, open on the phone application. Then tap on the option key at the top and choose settings. In settings, tap on call background. And then tap on background and choose video, this one right here. And then tap on set as call background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.